All right, guys, today we're on a screen and recoat job for a client that booked with us about a month ago, put their deposit down and got it on the schedule. Again, guys, if you ever went down our schedule, we do ask for a 50% down deposit to reserve that spot because we are always busy. And that just make sure that you can lock in your date. So that's what we're doing today, guys. We're doing a screen and recoat on these red oak floors. And the client did move all the furniture out. It is what we require, as you can see here, to move everything out. And that is your responsibility. We do not move furniture, so clients do remove all the furniture out of the area, whether it's a garage or another area or room. That is a requirement. So this service here, guys, will get done in one day. You can walk on it a couple hours after we're finished. It's a popular service. And again, all we're really doing is reapplying the clear coat. So we're taking the clear coat off and reapplying the protection. As you can see, you got some wear spots there, missing polyurethane, missing clear coat. And that's a good indication that you do not need the sanding. You need to reapply your protection. Now there is some spots here, like I was explaining to the client. That's water-based. That's basically water damage. You cannot correct that unless you sand it and do a dark stain. Okay, or replace the boards. Those are your two options. Now, when you rescreen and protect, it will make it look better, but it will not make it disappear. So it's going to look improved, but not perfect. And he understands that. He said, Ryan, I get it. No worries. I just want the protection reapplied. So by reapplying your protection, you do extend the life of your floors. Another example I'll show over here, guys. This is the little, look here, I'll show you. See that this looks dull right there, a little dingy. You're missing protection. You got little micro scratches. That's just, you need your floors to be protected. I'm just gonna get it in the camera. See that? Look at that right there. See that? Yep, they're all right there. See right there? So these floors are red oak. They do not need to be sanded. They just need to be protected. Unless you want perfection, then I would recommend sanding. But if you just want to make it look improved, screen recoat is all you need. Again, we charge $250 a square foot. We're half the cost of sanding. If you need to get it sanded, it is more expensive and more timely. Typically, when you do a sanding, it does take a week to complete, and it is more costly. But again, with the screen recoat, we get you done the same day, and it's less invasive. The poly we use is water-based, so there's really no smell to it, and it's just a popular service. There's also some water damage right there. He understands that. That will not disappear, but it will look improved. So he did point out some scratches here. You see right there. Now we're gonna abrade that with a palm sander, and when we reapply the protection, that's gonna look so much better. All right. So again, I'm gonna show you up here real quick, and then we're gonna get started. This is dark ebony floors where it's missing some stain. We are gonna tin our poly to add to kind of make it look uniform. We get the little hallway there. Here we got the closet area. We did blue tape around the air rug because he did not want to move it, so we're just going to do the perimeter, which he understands. And then right here, guys, we're going to fix this. We're just going to basically just put some water-based stain on there to blend it, and then tin our poly just a little bit to make it all look uniform with the satin sheen. So again, we do not stain when you screen recoat, but we can add color to our polyurethane to blend it, the floor to make it all look uniform if it's something like this. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, guys, that's gonna be, and also like right here, see how it looks, the stain looks a little off. When we tin our poly, that's gonna just help that all blend in and look amazing. So, all right, guys, again, also right there. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for results, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, I'm screening the floors now. As you can see, we're upstairs. We're responding very good. Again, that little chalky stuff you see, that's not wood. That is actually the old polyurethane. This is dustless. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm abrading the floors really well. As you can see, it's cutting good. That is the whole purpose of the screening, as we're screening off the old protection, otherwise known as clear coat, polyurethane. And anytime we do any floors with stain on it, we always go a little less aggressive. And that's what we're doing here upstairs. And then there's a little problem area there. We're gonna color correct that with some water-based stain that we got. And again, whenever we do a screen recoat, guys, we always use a water base. And the reason why, it just holds up longer, and it's kind of odorless, and you can walk on it immediately after we're finished, pretty much, because it only takes a couple hours to dry instead of 24 hours like oil base. Now, whenever you get your floor sanded and recoated, we do use the oil base, but whenever it's screen recoat, we use water base, just because it dries faster and it's less odor. And it is also more expensive than oil base. We do use the best on the market. Hopefully our supply chain gets a little better. I know with the pandemic and the cost of everything right now, everybody's cost is going up. We tried still to stay competitive, but again, that's why whenever we give you guys estimates, it's only given 30 days because our cost goes up every 45 days, guys. It's gone up 9 times this year, and it's just it's phenomenal. We never had to deal with this before. We've been in business over 20 years, and it's hurting everybody. But we're still trying to save your floors, still trying to help you out. And again, it's cheaper than replacement. I think I saw the cost of wood right now is $16 a square foot. That doesn't even include the installation or removal. That's why we're so busy, because we love saving floors, guys. We love to screen and recoat and clean and buff. We also offer wax removal. Those are our most popular services. And if needed, we will sand it. I have a team that's dedicated to that, but we really enjoy screen and recoats and clean and buffs. And of course, our famous wax removal service. All right, guys, it's going good. Stay tuned. All right, I just want to show you some results. As you can see, we already got the closet area. Check it out, guys. We just got done screening this area. As you can see, it's going good. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, I just got done finishing up doing some touch-ups. Filled in some areas. Now again, I'm screening, so I can't stain it, but I did touch up some areas with the filler. As you can see, there were some areas over here that our guys got done finishing up, touching up some areas. We did use some wood pens and some wood filler with ebony color, because again, you know, we can't stain it because we're not sanding, we're only screening. So I was able to touch up some areas by hand, as you can see, and I did use a little bit of water-based stain to top it off here, and I used my pens to kind of touch it up in some other areas, which, you know, I won't reveal because you know everybody's watching. But we were to improve it. Again, it ain't perfect, but we did improve it. I'll show over here. Now we haven't tacked the floors yet, which is right there, but over that bare spot right there, you can see it's still wet and dry, and I was able to fill that in. So again, we can touch up areas, especially if it's dark walnut or ebony, like over here. And there was a whole faded line right here. We were able to correct it. As you kind of see right there, it's still wet. Looks good. So when we tint our poly a little bit, it's gonna all look good. Now there's gonna be some areas, as you can see, I'm not gonna, you know, right there, that's gonna all blend. But there were some faded areas right there, as you can still see, that's drying. And it looks whole much better. So again, guys, that's the benefit when you utilize our service. We do help accommodate and improve your floors and work with you to get you the look that you desire. All right, guys, stay tuned and see some results. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we'll show you some results. We are vacuuming that area over there now, and I'm still screening this area, and then we're gonna tack it, and then prep our poly to lay the first coat. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, little update. We already got the hallway. We're on the family room now. We already did the foyer in the other area. It's going good, guys. Again, this is a little shy of 1,000 square feet. Screen and recoat, and then it's gonna be a wrap. It's about 11:30 now, 11:45 actually. After we get done, we're gonna tack it, vacuum it, tack it, and apply the first coat. Take off, come back in about 2 hours, and then start applying the first coat. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's show you some results. We just got done screening this area here. Again, we got a little shy of 1,000 square feet. Got the foyer. No other technicians vacuuming now. And then we got the hallway. Then we got upstairs, this hallway, and then the master bedroom and closet. So we're gonna attack this and then start laying the first coat. And yeah, it's gonna look good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got some red common oak. There was a hole here, you can see right here. I told him I'd try to fix it, so I'm gonna do some wood filler, and I'm gonna fill this in with a natural finish, and then I'm gonna heat it up, and then that way I can poly it. All right, guys, stay tuned. Guys, put that in. Let's see what we can do. Stay tuned. All right, I got it filled, and let's put a heat gun on it and braid it. All right, guys, all done. That's gonna blend in well, and I put poly on it. Check it out. Look at that, guys. Nice and pretty. All right, guys, we're tacking the floor now. Stay tuned. All right, guys, check it out. Looks good. I did add tint to the poly, and see how it all looks uniform. Look at that, guys. Client's gonna love it. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got done applying the first coat of polyurethane. You can see it's absolutely stunning. Stay tuned.
All right, it's dry now. This is the mocha. We use the mocha blend to tint our poly to hide some of the imperfections, make it all uniform. Check it out, guys. Great, guys. Beautiful.
All right, guys. First coat, it does look wet, but that's because it's drying. It will dry to a satin finish. And yeah, we'll be back soon in about 2 hours. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just got back and check it out. These floors look absolutely stunning. Wow. Amazing. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, just got back and check it out. The screen and recoat, we did tint the poly with mocha. Look at that combination of dark wood and mocha. Look at that, guys. Remember how rough it was right here? And we were able to fill it in, and just look at that. It's absolutely stunning. And we did not sand it, we only screened it. Wow, he's gonna love it. Look at this, guys. AO, let's go. All right, I was giving you an update. This is the second coat of poly. It's looking fantastic, as you guys can see. And yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. Then we're going to apply downstairs, and that's going to do it. Happy Labor Day to everybody out there. And yes, we are working. That's what it takes. Beautiful, guys. All right, guys, we're going to finish up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. All right, guys, it's drying. This is the last coat. Turned out absolutely amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Remember, it is wet. We're just going to dry to a satin sheen. And we restore the floors. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, it's a wrap. We are done. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And appreciate your loyalty, support, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.